Tonight we had turkey pot pie. Starting off the night before with a turkey breast. I'm going to season that with onion, garlic, black pepper, paprika, rosemary, thyme, oregano, basil, marjoram, parsley, sage, and I'm going to sprinkle my turkey breast with some chicken bouillon and then that seasoning mix. And I got some ice water so that I can start on my crust. And I put some all-purpose flour in there, some sugar and salt, and just mixed that together and added in some shortening. Then I went ahead and added in my grated frozen butter. And I'm slowly going to start drizzling in my ice water just until it comes together to be a kind of crumbly dough. Then I kind of form that together and separate it into two. Then I just went ahead and formed those into rectangles, and I wrapped them in plastic wrap and set those in the refrigerator while I got started on my veggies. Starting off with carrots, celery, onions, garlic, and some potatoes. And then I just chopped all of those up nice and small. Then I got started on my chicken broth, starting off with some chicken, carrots, celery, onions, garlic, parsley, the same seasonings as before with the addition of bay leaves and some celery seeds. And I just covered that with water and let that cook. Went ahead and put my turkey in the oven and started cooking my potatoes and a little bit of bacon fat. And I just seasoned that with some salt and pepper. Once my broth was done, I released the pressure and added in the rest of my veggies and seasoned those as well with a little bit of salt and pepper. Then my broth was fully done and I strained it, and I added a little more butter and some flour and mixed that around and added in that chicken broth. Then I went ahead and added in some frozen peas, and that was all together. By this time my turkey was done. Look at how juicy that was. And then I just chopped that up and set that aside and added that in to the pot. Then I went ahead and rolled out my crust for the top and bottom, starting with the bottom. And I just made sure that it was the right shape, put that in the pan, and then I filled it with the filling and rolled out the top. And to measure it, I just kind of like eyeball it, and then I just put the top on there and poked some holes in it to vent, and then I brushed it with some egg wash, baked it at 400 for about 20 to 30 minutes, and it came out golden brown. Hope you guys enjoy this. Let me know if you try.